Imagine waking up and checking the silver price, and suddenly your screen turns red. Not a small drop, not a normal correction, a massive fall that wipes out weeks, even months of gains in just hours. Investors frozen, traders panicking, social media exploding with one question: what just happened to silver? Many are calling this the biggest silver crash in decades, and if you think this doesn't affect you, stay with me, because what's behind this move could change the market much more than you expect. In the last few sessions, silver saw a brutal sell-off. Prices dropped fast, sharp, and without warning. For many investors, this felt like a flash crash. Orders triggered automatically, stop losses were hit, and suddenly selling fed more selling. It looked less like a normal market move and more like fear taking control. And when fear takes over, logic usually leaves the room. Now, before we go deeper, make sure you like this video and subscribe to USA Trending News. We break down major market moves in a simple, clear way, without noise. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps you ahead of what's trending in the US and global markets. So why did silver fall so hard? One major reason is expectations. For months, silver was rising on hopes of lower interest rates, weaker dollar, and strong industrial demand. Many traders were heavily positioned on the upside. When fresh economic data came out stronger than expected, those hopes were suddenly questioned. Higher rates for longer means a stronger dollar, and a strong dollar puts pressure on metals like silver. Another key factor is big money behavior. When hedge funds and large institutions decide to reduce risk, they don't exit slowly. They sell in size. Once that selling starts, algorithms jump in, momentum turns negative, and panic spreads to retail investors. This creates a chain reaction where prices fall faster than fundamentals can explain. There's also the technical side. Silver broke key support levels that traders were watching closely. Once those levels failed, automatic sell orders were triggered across the market. This is why the drop felt sudden and violent. It wasn't one single event, but many triggers hitting at the same time. But here's where it gets interesting. Historically, major silver crashes don't happen in isolation. They often reflect stress somewhere else in the system. Sometimes it's about liquidity, sometimes it's about fear in equities, and sometimes it's about investors needing cash fast, so they sell whatever they can, even assets they believe in long term. Some analysts are warning that this move could signal broader market instability. Others say it's a healthy reset after an overheated rally. The truth is, right now, the market is deeply divided. Bulls believe silver is now undervalued. Bears believe this is only the beginning of a larger breakdown. For everyday investors, this creates confusion. Do you buy the dip? Do you wait? Or do you stay away completely? And this uncertainty is exactly why volatility stays high. When no one agrees on direction, markets swing harder and faster. What's important to understand is that silver is not just a metal. It's tied to inflation expectations, industrial demand, currency strength, and investor psychology. When silver crashes, it often reflects a shift in how people see the future: growth, risk, and safety. At USA Trending News, we're closely watching how silver reacts in the next few sessions. A fast recovery could mean this was a panic-driven flush. But if prices stay weak, it could signal deeper problems ahead, not just for metals, but for risk assets overall. As we move forward, keep an eye on the dollar, interest rate expectations, and global economic data. These will play a huge role in deciding whether silver stabilizes or continues to slide. One thing is clear: the calm days are gone and volatility is back. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think this silver crash is a buying opportunity or a warning sign of something bigger coming? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who follows the market. More comments and shares help this conversation grow, and we'll keep bringing you the stories that really matter. Stay informed, stay alert, and stay connected with USA Trending News.